Welcome to the chef's table on the Carnival Mardi Gras. Come join us and see what this multi-course meal held in the Galley looks like. This is like a shore excursion on this ship.
Oh, that's really good.
Good. I'm from Sea Lake Journeys. Started a food fight with her. First thing made of the salmon, and then she threw her champagne across the table.
That's so good. Oh, look at that. It's my sleeves, my sleeves.
Part of this chef's table is learning from the chef how much food goes to this galley each day and how many meals are prepared in there.
It's shrimp. The whole thing is shrimp. Shrimp in different ways.
That's where you gotta use the spoon.
I have to wait.
And the shrimp get a thumbs up.
So it's mushroom, dried mushroom on a mint leaf.
Robin from Sea Lake Journeys did not care much for mushroom, but guess what? She's going to wash it down with some wine. After these starters, we're going to get an opportunity to see how that chocolate molten melting cake that Carnival is so famous for is made. And we're going to get to actually watch the chef show us how the ingredients are put together and what they are, and of course we will see the end result. After the starters and the molten cake demonstration, we will be heading into the chef's table dining area for the main meals, which is a multi-course meal that is fantastic. The head chef is there to describe each dish we're about to eat and what it's made from. If you choose the chef's table, be sure to let them know if you have any food allergies, and they will work around those.
We've got the beef tartare. I think that means it's raw. Wow. Good. Yummy.
Well, try to smell what I've got.
Oh, it's smoking now. And all the smoke rolling.
No, I missed it.
Look at that. That's what happens when you let the smoke out of something that disappears.
There went mine.
Look at that.
That is too flippin' cool.
Watch his.
Okay, so the salad was amazing.
It was.
I've never had anything like that. It was an explosion of flavor every single bite, and every bite tasted different.
It had different greens, different kinds of fruit, different kinds of vegetables. And it had this big bubble of rosemary on it. And when the rosemary bubble popped, smoke came out. And it just enhanced the flavor even more.
That has been my favorite dish this entire cruise so far. I could eat that every day.
It was pretty awesome.
The chef's table is an elevated food experience. The service, the wine, the food are all fantastic.
Okay,
The first thing has to squeeze the lime on it.
that's right. Scenic Journey Crew. You take the lime, it also has orange and lime ground up on top of it. Put it all over that fish, y'all, just like that.
You're supposed to take your fork and flake it.
Right, but now we take the fork and break the fish up in the saffron. Like this.
And then you use your spoon to pick the fish up.
That's right. Robin's got it right. We're going to use our spoon to actually eat it, y'all. Look how we got it all broke up in there. Okay. Now we take the spoon. This is cod, by the way. Blackened cod. So we're going to see what this tastes like. I've never had this before. This is fantastic. This is worth the price of admission right here, folks. I've never seen this before. This is interesting right here.
It looks like baby Groot.
I am Groot. It's blooming. Still growing.
Look at it opening up.
Ain't that cool?
All the petals are just opening up. That is very, very
Oh,
cool.
looks like it's having a stroke. Folks, this food is a metamorphosis, life-changing event. Some of us have become Presbyterians. Some of us have become diabolical. Some of us, we're not sure what we are yet. We're still changing. It's a great metamorphosis, though, because it tastes as good over here.
We had a great time at the chef's table on the Carnival Mardi Gras, and we think you will too. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.
If you would like to support this channel, please consider becoming a member or hit the super thanks icon below. We really do appreciate it. Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.
See you around the channel.